हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। तो आज आपके साथ मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ हाउ आई ऑर्गेनाइज माई किचन और माई किचन टूर। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड दिस इज़ हाउ माई किचन लुक्स। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो पूरा वाइट है ऊपर का एरिया विथ अ स्मॉल रेड बीडिंग और नीचे पूरा रेड है विथ प्रोफाइल हैंडलिंग। और ये है मेरा किचन लाइट जो कभी कभार यूज़ करती हूँ मैं बिकॉज आई हैव अदर लाइट ऑप्शंस एज वेल। एंड दिस इज़ माई फेथफुल फ्रिज। बहुत ही जल्दी एक वीडियो आने वाला है ऑन माई हाउ आई ऑर्गेनाइज माई फ्रिज एज वेल, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट। और मैं काउंटर टॉप में अपना वेजिटेबल स्टोर करती हूँ ऑन दिस 3-tier ऑर्गेनाइज़र। देन आई हैव फ्यू आइटम्स लाइक माई नाइफ, माई कप होल्डर, ऑयल होल्डर, माई गैस। और गैस का जो पाइप है इट इज़ कनेक्टेड आउटसाइड। दिस इज़ माई माइक्रोवेव और ये है मेरा कटिंग बोर्ड जो मैं यहाँ रखती हूँ। My microwave is a little beaten up because I use it every day. This is my masala holder which I got off Flipkart. Then I have a small money plant जो मैं masala holder के बाजू में रखती हूँ. This is an original money plant. And exactly beside that I have a small artificial flower pot that again I got from Flipkart. This is my Pureit water filter, does the job, so yeah, that's that. ये ऊपर का फर्स्ट शेल्फ है और इसमें मैं अपना कप स्टोर करती हूँ. Just beside that shelf this is another one where I keep all the masalas, the Indian cooking masalas, and on top of that I have my glasses, my faithful glasses that I use it every now and then, and this is how I store it. Right above the gas oven I have my chimney which has 1000 unit ka suction power, and it's pretty impressive. And exactly beside the chimney I have this L-shaped shelf where I store my miscellaneous stuff. And this is another shelf where I keep a few more cups and dishes and few masalas and English tea and yeah, all those jazz. So this is how the top part of the kitchen looks, and on the extreme top I keep again miscellaneous stuff. Now this is how the lower half looks, and everything is profile handling so that it looks sleek and neat. So onto the first drawer, I have all these kitchen utensils. They are pretty unorganized. I would let you know right off the bat, because let's be honest here, we don't keep things the way it should be because life is pretty hectic. However, there is another video coming up soon how I keep my kitchen organized, wherein I show how I deep clean my kitchen and utensils को मैं कैसे organizedly store करती हूँ. So that video is coming right up, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is how I store them, all the utensils after I wash and dry them out. And most of the units that you see, the drawer unit, they have soft closure so that you don't have to push or pull them too hard. This is the masala rack. Now this is a pretty big unit, L-shaped, where I store the excess items that I have. The rice, the atta, Maggi, noodles, and all the extra items, I stored it here. This particular shelf has all my dal, then biscuits, and all the kitchen items. Last unit has all the dishwasher and soaps and hand washers which I need to organize. Like I said, video coming pretty soon. So here is an overview of my kitchen and how I store things and how I keep them organized. And here I have 2 kitchen carpets. And this is how the kitchen looks at night. So this is my kitchen tour video. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like, comment on our video and subscribe to my channel as well. और मिलते हैं आपके साथ एक नए वीडियो में एक नए व्लॉग के साथ. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.